What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to prevent your yard from flooding by running out your downspouts and adding in a catch basin. Let's get to it. Well, as you can see, I've already started. I forgot to do the previous video, but that's okay. No harm, no foul. As you can see in here, I'm going to be running out this downspout and this downspout and taking them all the way over there behind my van, right there at the street. I'm also going to be installing a catch basin over here. I'm going to be adding rock around the foundation here, help shut off any water. And over here too, some cosmetic rock into a little channel drain behind all this. Going to break a concrete right there so that way the water can flow in here and then go to this abandoned well right here. So this way, this will all help prevent any water from going inside her house onto the main level. Now, let's get it going. All right, and now we have it all dug out. Everything is going massively downhill from when we hit this corner. As you can see, I already have it set up. It is completely all the way downhill. I'm gonna have a catch basin over there. This downspout, they're gonna Y connect there and come to the corner, and everything drastically shoot down there to a pop-up so it can build up, overflow, and go out down the driveway towards the street in the storm basin. Now to pipe it all up. And here we go, installing the catch basin. Always remember you drill holes in the bottom of the catch basin, put the filter cloth down, put some rock under it, build it up all around, and then you burrito wrap it. And then your best thing to do is just cut an X in the filter cloth, and then you can just like fold it over just like that. And then right here, this is all going to be rock still going all the way around, but you always want that extra layer of protection just to make sure that the system lasts for as long as it possibly can. And then as you see coming right out of the catch basin, we're going downhill, and we're going to continue going downhill, and then when we get to that corner right there, it's going to shoot massively downhill all the way to the driveway. Now to continue piping. All right, and here we go. Everything is piped up from over here. As soon as everything's going to hit this corner, you can see it's extremely in all the way down. So as soon as the water hits there, it's going to rush immensely all the way. See it coming from the catch basin. We are downhill to level. There's our catch basin. Going to fill all that area with rock, outline everything around this entire area with rock. Everything's going to go all the way down here at the end. We have this downspout. As you can see, even going past it, we are all the way downhill. Keep going all the way down to the end here where we have the pop-up going. Made it a little mini dry well. Always dig holes in the bottom of it. And as you can see, everything is immensely downhill to here. Now to backfill. All right, on this left side over here, we're just doing some cosmetic stuff. I bermed up things, moved things around. That way I can direct the water to come over here, which I broke through the concrete and used a little grate thing to help make sure the rock stays in. Put everything in here, I dug a big hole, put some filter cloth, dropped some rock. So it's like a mini dry well. This is inoperative. It's not been used in over 5 years. So yeah, we're just having somewhere so this water doesn't get trapped up in here. Now to continue on. And here we go. And now to test the system, put the hose in the catch basin, because you can put it in the downspout there, but they're all tied into each other. Put it in the catch basin, and the catch basin finally fills up. Everything's going to build up, go down the line, and go all the way to the street. And all the water comes all the way down here. It'll build up in the pop-up. You see you got the holes there, so that way the water can drain out after it can't facilitate out anymore. And now we just wait for it to build up. And here we go. See the water coming out. Coming over, it's going to build up, come down, and eventually go down to the drain, down the street, all the way to the storm drain. Since there's not any head pressure right now, it's not coming out quick as it would as if it was raining. But you see, that's exactly how it's going to work. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.